Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are in the middle of Torren 4, trying to find the fixer. The fixer's over here. We're going to go see what's over here, because we can. Maybe we can. This looks like it's a little bit more crazy shit, but we have to do some boot running here. Uh-oh. No, we need the this guy here. I don't know what's going on here. Did I go through a rift or a dimensional anomaly or something? I don't know where I'm at here. Let's see. Okay, well there's nothing here. Let's go this way maybe. And I can't go anywhere here. That was it? There was just the, Nah, there's more here than that, isn't there? That was all there was here? Now I'm stuck here. There's gotta be a way out of here. Okay, let's see. Nope, there's a wall over there. Okay, how do we get out of here? Oh, I'm just kind of stuck here now, ain't I? So it's like a death trap. There's no way. Let's look at this again. Yeah, you're just kind of stuck here. Yeah, there's a wall there. I can't get up this area here. Okay, so what do you do? Oh, I saw a little thing over there. Brings me back over here. Okay, well, that was very, unclimatic over there. Alright, where are we going? I guess we're going this way now. Let's make sure we are... What do we got hooked up here? I have the Megatron Collider, and I have my Ricochet, and my pistol, and my Doom guys, right? Yeah, we got my Doom guys. This is the Drill Hound. We don't want to do the Drill Hound, I don't think. We'll stick with, I really got to kind of level this thing up a little bit. What is this? Megatron Collider. We need that. Let's hook this up for now. I really got to kind of got to level that out. Where are we going? Where's the... There we go. Alright, let's see what happens. Where am I going? Uh-oh. Oh no. Another train track. This is bad.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I don't know.
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Huh. This must be the fixer's on switch.
Of course it is. That's nice and simple. Alright, let's see what happens. He's the fixer, huh? Looks like the guy from Fallout 4, the big robot. I can't remember his name.
Are you, okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Uh-oh. This looks bad.
Oh my.
We have to kill the fixer now? That doesn't look like fun.
At least the pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
Okay, I didn't know I had control again. That was pretty quick.
The pirates are taken care of.
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down.
Junk ahead.
Fixing is a vague and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsing. Great.
And it's to enlighten. I am not deserving of enlightenment.
Wisdom.
Oh, I missed
I
those.
may have
There's
an
some more.
idea.
I'm all ears.
Now what?
I am broken.
Uh-oh.
I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall! Ah!
Oh, wait a minute. I had that one.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Oh dear.
Can
Ah,
everything stop
Jesus.
falling apart, please? Ah!
Missed it. Couldn't see it with all the crap, all the debris coming down.
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
Come on, Bolts.
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Vullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Oh, here we got it.
Can you fix this?
Ooh.
Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
An old giant robot with teeth. Oh, we're back home again.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
Okay, we
So,
have...
Are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my
Alright, let's...
dimension.
Before we leave,
Thank you.
grab stuff. The problem with this little area is... you gotta ride the rails everywhere, I think, to get anywhere. I don't know. This stuff all respawned here, eh? The fixer's been fixed. We have 32,000. Okay, we don't want to go that way. There's nothing there for me. Except bees. Let's avoid the bees. Alright, let's go see what she's got.
Long time no see. Let me know when you find something you like.
She still doesn't have these two yet available. Okay. And we have some upgrades, but we don't have a lot. I only got 12, that's not bad. But we don't have a lot to upgrade. The Glove of Doom is only level 2. Okay, right now that's maxed, what we can do there. This is 100%. The Lightning Rod is only level 4. I don't know why, man. I keep using that thing and it just doesn't seem to be leveling up.
Now that is gonna
Auto
pack
aim.
a punch.
Okay, that's good. 7 left.
Yourself to an upgrade. You
Shatter
earned
Bomb.
it.
What's this? Might as well get this. This is shots fire at a higher rate. I'm not sure what that means with the Shatter Bomb, but the Enforcer, the Ricochet is covered for now. This is level 4. A Topiary Sprinkler, huh? And the Drill Hound. Well, I guess I need to figure out how to use this. I don't know. It seems kind of clumsy. Increase movement speed. Increases the explosion radius. Increases maximum ammo. A Drill Hound, huh? Increases hound movement speed. Well, I guess we'll just go all the way down this tree. Sure, why not? And we'll try and figure out how to use that. We got nothing to purchase, right? Is everything full? No, it's not. Let's fill it up.
Lock and load. Make sure
Okay.
to tell your friends now.
Now, let's see if we can find that gold bolt over here. How do I get there? I don't really know. Would it be going on this thing here? I think this ricochet is going to send me over here to this. I think I want to go this way. Okay, I just filled up everything, so we'll just collect more bolts. We don't need more ammo. How do we get over there? It's going this way somehow. Ah! Alright, we gotta blast these guys here, the Enforcer. Here we go. Is there another guy over here somewhere? No. Is this the way to go? Kind of looks like it is. Oh, is this where we use the... Oh, like I said, we gotta ride the rails. And I don't know if it's gonna take me where I want to go. Where does this lead to? Let's go back to camp. Oh, this is above the camp. Okay. Yeah, this... I gotta get over to this island somehow. I don't know. We were there once, right? Because it's already... We were in both of these places once. I have a feeling that gold bolt is like... out in the middle of some rail or something. Let's see. There's bad guys over there. Straight ahead. Let's go there. Doesn't look like I... Oh, come on. Just climb on there. Missed it. They wouldn't give it to me. See, I don't know where I'm going.
Broken rail ahead!
Too late. You're traveling that fast. You gotta know faster than that.
Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
No,
Yes.
not yet.
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an
Here
easier
comes
time
another
building a new Dimensionator.
So, are we get to talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
All right, where do we go from here?
Thank you, Ribbit.
Smooth. There's a rift.
I don't know what that does for me. There it
You
is.
could hide from me, did you?
It was on the rail. Okay, now we gotta get out of here. Which I don't know how to do that, but I don't know how we get off the rail.
Here comes the jump.
Oh, I had it. Now where am I?
Piece of cake.
Okay, so we got one gold bolt. Where am I? I'm way over here. Yeah, that's the problem with this place is riding the rails to get what you want. And there's another gold bolt somewhere, maybe over here. I mean, I've covered a lot of ground here. There's two places right here I haven't covered. And that's where my ship is. If I can get to here. Now, let's see where we are here. This is where we had the first hole shot. But that doesn't get us anywhere, does it? Gets me over there. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Let's try it. I think that's how we got back to town the first time, right? Oh, we gotta fight these guys again? I don't want to, really. Oh, here we go. Fast travel. Huh, that's what I wanted. Well, that's not really what I wanted. I wanted to go over here, but we can fast travel this way too. Okay. Go back to the ship. Oh, so it warps you to the middle of town. Okay, so how do I get to my ship? Ship is this way, isn't it? Let's see. Is this where the ship is? Oh man, don't tell me I'd have to go and jump on that crane right there, or is that the ship over there? I guess the ship is that way. And then we've got rails this way. I don't know which way I'm gonna go here. They're both calling me, come this way, come this way. Well, let's see where this one goes, I guess. Oh no, that one is how I came in the back door, I think. Now, let's find out. Here we go! Oh, there's my ship. Okay. So I wanted the other ones. Okay. Okay, we got the frogs again. Okay, yeah, that's how I got over there the first time. That's kind of what I thought. I came to the same place. Okay. But what I want to do is go this way, right? Now, let's see what's over here. Oh, I have to do a ramp jump again, huh? Okay, well, let's give it a shot. See what happens. There it is.
A fine addition to our collection.
Okay. That worked out well for all involved. This. Don't fall off. Okay, now I gotta get back again, huh? I think we're back, right? Are we? Yeah, there's the ship. Okay, well, let's see what this says. New missions are available on the ship. Let's see what it says. So we got everything here. That wasn't too bad. It's a small map, but it wasn't a map on top of a map on top of a map. Alright, so I think we're covered pretty good. We rode the rails all over the place. Alright, let's get on board and see what we got. Just go on. Sorry, hit the wrong button. There we go. Alright. So we only have one thing. It says there's missions available. Forge
Anyone
the
can build a new
Dimensionator.
Dimensionator? It's Ratchet.
And I didn't notice that before. On the side over there, it tells you all the collectibles. So we have them all here. We have them all here. We don't have... We're missing a gold bolt on Savali still. Really? I thought I did everything over there. Huh. Well, we know we're missing a bunch of stuff here
Let's
because...
hit the arena.
Nah,
Our weapons could use
we're not.
some leveling up.
Yeah, that's where a lot of this stuff is. It's in the arena challenges. We got everything here. We got everything here. Well, let's go back to Savali. How come I'm missing a bolt there? I don't know. Let's go there.
Hope Ratchet's staying out of trouble.
Yeah, we'll get to him later. Is this the place that's broken? No, we did all that already. Oh, now I'm back in Ratchet. Okay, that's right. This is Ratchet now, right?
Come on. Right this way for the heaviest hitting hardware around.
What's this over here? Nothing special, I guess. I don't know.
Hi there. Good to see you.
I am glad you have decided to return.
Oh, this is the brothers. Oh! That thing opened up now so we can go to our ship pretty easy. I see. I think. The ship is here. Well, so I don't have to go all the way through town. I don't have to do all this jumping around. We just go right here and we're in town. Pretty crazy stuff. Alright, now. This is the one. I thought I had all these bolts. Huh. That's pretty weird. That is pretty weird because I swear I had all the bolts here, but I only got 2 of them. 2 out of the 3. Can't get this thing. Well, I can get it with... I think I can get this with Rivet because she has the little helicopter thing. I can fly over there from this ledge right here. That's the only way to get there. So that's probably an end game thing. But where is the bolt at in here? Huh. That's kind of crazy. I have no idea, because I've covered this place pretty good. Except for this area. I mean, it could be over here, but I don't think it is. I think that's only raritanium, and the bolt's not there. You can see over there pretty good, and it'll tell you if it's there, because that's why it's telling you the raritanium's there. We have this whole area up here, and this area over here. We've done all of the little pocket dimensions. We have a thing to transport us over there. Alright, let's go this way.
Wayfarer, it is good to see you again.
Where's this go? I don't remember this. Okay, there's nothing here. Interesting. Okay, well, here we go again.
asking? What was it like working for Nefarious?
The Emperor is very cruel and self-centered. I know that now. But back then, he had a...
We want to go. I know what's over here. Actually, I don't know what's over there. Yeah, we got that too. That was the lorb. There was a lorb over there. Why is that not?
fool just like many others.
Let's go
He
over
often
there.
said I was his greatest weapon.
Where's the crack? I
Pride
wanna.
in that.
Gotta get across the
That
crack.
is, until I realized what being a weapon meant.
Hey, at least you realized it, right? That's not you anymore.
No, it is not.
Yeah, just keep talking. We got a good narrative going here. Okay, we're gonna go this way.
Better, not worse.
So is it up above or down below? I don't know. It could be up above. It says over this way, but I mean, I already did that. Okay, we did this. That's this here. So there's something on the other side of that. And it must be up on top. Okay, let's go up on top. See if it's over there. Yeah, like right over here somewhere. But there's no gold bolt here. Yeah, it's this area here. Okay, but there's nothing here. Right? We got everything here. Right, okay. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to search this area off camera. We're going to call it a video here. I won't call it a video. I'll just kind of splice it together. We'll come back if I find it. And if I don't, I'll come back anyway. So I'll be right back. Somewhere along this line. Okay, so I cleared up this area. There's nothing in here. I didn't get to this area yet, but I found a ramp leading to, I think, this area, but I'm not sure. There's a couple areas here. I found this ramp, so we're gonna go up the ramp. Where's it at? Here it is. See where it goes. I think I've been here before, though. Oh, wait a minute. These guys look like they need some enforcer work here. Yeah, I think I've seen these guys before. So I don't think that this is... Nope. There's nothing here. Because we've been up here many times. But I can't get to this area. Alright, well. Keep looking. Okay, I'm back. And I think, if I remember correctly, and I probably just a dumbass, I think I already looked this up, and you can't get that last gold bolt until you come back here for another mission, or you come back here for something. There's another reason to come back here, I believe. So we're not going to get that gold bolt until later on down the road. What's this? Hammer swap pack. Interesting. Goon sword, goon hammer. Well, that's pretty cool. Pirate sword. Now see, that's something I can get. Key. I know what a key is. Let's go with the goon hammer. Let's do that one. And this is the home run. Knock enemies out of the park when you defeat them with your melee weapon. Okay, that's gotta be fun too. We can do that. This is the wrench swap. Let's do the wrench swap. Let's do the, let's see, not the goon hammer, goon sword. Let's do the, maybe the goon sword. That might be fun. Swordfish, no swordfish. Key. Key's kind of weird. Of course, I guess it was a wrench, but let's go with the goon sword on that one. Okay, well that's fun stuff. The home run thing sounds pretty good. Alright, so I also think, let's see, what is this? Is this the fast travel thing here? Looks like it. Get back to the ship. Oh no, that was a lure. There's a fast travel thing here somewhere. There it is. Okay. Let's buy.
Welcome to Missouri. You know good merchandise when you see it.
Let's buy the buzz blades. And we'll upgrade it right away. Ammo. We always, no, that's fire rate. Max ammo. We always need more ammo. We'll take more fire rate. And we'll just work our way up these things here. What's this one? Max ammo. Fire rate. I guess we're going to go with the max ammo all the way. Let's go this way. Because that way, in case we got any gold things we got down here, we might be able to get some. Alright, so we got the buzz blades now. That looks like a lot of fun. Alright. So, when we come back, well, let's just go to the ship right now. We'll just go there. Alright. So when we come back, we'll head to go make the Dimensionator, I guess. That seems like that's the next thing to do. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See ya.